been doing some wet and wet sketches today up at the top of Bourton, which is on the border of Somerset, Wiltshire and Dorset, North Dorset. And yes, this scene here, this beautiful meadow. I didn't have any bigger sheets of paper, but it's absolutely stunning up here. All this is in one big nature reserve which goes into Penselwood, which I've done a few studies obviously the other side at Meldrum's ground. And then we've got this beautiful buttercup, those lovely browny gorgeous grasses and the glorious oak trees. It's just stunning. Very moody sky today, a bit cooler. So I've been using some high pigment colours, Japanese. This is the type I use when I go out sketching. Well, there's so much to paint here. And there's another scene there. So maybe I'll do that one next. And just right over in the distance is the Wessex Ridgeway, the misty blue hills of Dorset. And there's a lot of energy here, and I just love this area to paint, not far from where I live in Shaftesbury on the hill.